Good morning, St Paul's, and welcome to our first special assembly. I just want to say thank you to all of our families for all of the lovely hard work that you've done. It's been great seeing your emails and your tweets and seeing all of the hard work your children have been doing. So please keep doing that, that's absolutely fantastic. I want to give a special shout out to Merciher for her model of the church house, which was fantastic, and thank you to Dawood and Adam for their stop motion video. We're really impressed with the hard work that you're doing at home. I know it can be difficult, so well done everyone. And I also want to give out a kindness award for Musa and Ibrahim in our early years for their lovely rainbows that they have made for the NHS, to say thank you to the NHS for their hard work. So now you're going to see your class teachers nominating different children for some other great work. Take care. Bye-bye. Good morning everybody. I just want to say hello to nursery and reception and to say thank you so much for all of the hard work that you are doing with your home learning. Well done to all of you. And this week I want to nominate Ava for showing us how brilliantly she can tie up her own laces, and she's only 3 years old, so fantastic Ava. And I want to nominate Jacob for doing such great maths while he's been at home with his family, so well done Jacob. And lastly I want to say well done to Arafat for a brilliant picture of a dinosaur. I love your colouring in, I love the fact that you've stayed between the lines, and great mark making, so well done to all of you. Take care, bye bye.
Hello Butterfly class, I hope you're all well. These are our civic achievements for this week. The first one goes to Shivraj for having a fantastic attitude to learning and trying his very best to finish his work on Purpo Mash. Next one is Adam for really impressing me with your artwork online, and you have shown some amazing work this week. And the next one is for Ian Hock for becoming such a good listener and positive attitude to finishing all your work this week.
Year 1 Significant Achievements. Zain Uddin for your lovely description of spring for science. You had some great pictures on there, as well as some great adjectives. Well done Zain. Calais for your fantastic drawing of Anna using the paint project. I really liked your t-shirt Calais. And Goffran for being so dedicated to your online work. Keep it up Goffran. That's all for this week, and I'll see you next week.
Hello Year 2, I hope you're all really well. These are our significant achievements for this week. So first of all we have Lacey. She always works hard in class, and I can see that she's carried that on at home. Last week she created a new version of the Union Jack with bright colours to show her support for the NHS. Then we have Regia. I'm so pleased to see how hard Regia has been working. I particularly enjoyed her work about elephants. She taught me so much. And finally, Ali. Ali loves using new words, and I was amazed at his description of the angry sea, which was full of powerful adjectives.
Good morning, St. Paul's. Today for my nominations for Year 3, I'd like to nominate 3 girls, Mariam R., Rafaela and Hawa. I'm nominating these 3 people because they've worked consistently hard on Purpo Mash. They've produced some high quality pieces of writing, and I'd love to share that with you guys at some point as well. But well done girls, keep up the hard work, and I look forward to hopefully seeing some more high quality work for my nominations next week.
Good morning everyone, it's Mr. John here, and I'm going to read out the significant achievements for Year 4. First of all we have Ariane, who created a wonderful poster that represented food chains. He used all the correct vocabulary, explained the meanings of each bit, and included amazing pictures. Next, we have Ishmael, who created a realistic conversation between multiple people in literacy using correct punctuation for direct speech, and included lots of adjectives and adverbs to really keep his conversation flowing. And finally, we have Sarah, who wrote an incredibly descriptive paragraph about a setting. She used, once again, powerful verbs, adjectives, similes, and personification to really bring it to life. So well done, all of you. Stay safe and keep up the hard work.
Hi everyone, now it's time for the Year 5 Significant Achievements for this week. First up is Maren for creating a very difficult and challenging video game on Purple Mash. You created multiple levels, you included a really tricky time limit, as well as a very difficult maze. Well done, Maren. Next is Dawid for using your filmmaking skills from last year to create a stop-motion Lego film. I was really impressed. And finally, Merciha for such creative architecture homework. You planned and then made a 2-floor model of the church house at the back of our school using materials you found at home. It was really great to see your ideas for how you think our school and school community could better use that building. I look forward to seeing the brilliant efforts of Year 5 continuing this week.
Hello Year 6, I hope you're all well. So it was a really tough choice, I'll be honest, picking 3 people for my special achievements today. It could have been lots of people, but here we go. Number 1, I've gone with Aya. Aya has been working really well over the last few weeks, doing all of her homework, and one particular bit of work, she designed a computer game maze, and she made it really scary. Well, I was scared. And it was a really challenging maze as well. The second person I'd like to choose is Molly. Molly did some great work on Palm Sunday, and in general, her work's always incredibly detailed, and she's done lots of her own research, which has been really sort of independent and impressive. So well done, Molly. And the third person I'd like to choose is Mimi, and Mimi has written about science, light, mirrors, given good advice on responding to cyberbullying emails. And lots of other great work. So well done, Mimi. So they're the 3 people. Let's see who it is next week. And one special mention also goes out to the great work by Sneha. He did some research about America. So keep up the good offline work as well, Sneha, and everyone else. Take care.
I hope you've enjoyed our first online special assembly. Now let's take a moment to sit quietly and have a prayer. Dear Lord, please bless our families with your love and protect us from harm. Give us grace to forgive, strength to overcome the difficulties we face, and keep us together when the world tries to pull us apart. Amen.